this can go on all single plies, your TPOs, it could go on your asphalt, it can go on metal, it could go basically on everything.
And I'm Scott, by the way. Derek, nice to meet you. So my commercial repair tech, he says, man, we got Karna-Flex is gonna take care of it all. It's universal. So what makes it so, I guess, universal, and why is it such a great application to help people get roof repairs done?
Awesome. So really good question. So I'd say the first and foremost thing is this product was originated for metal roofs because it has roughly 900% elongation properties. So we created it for metal because metal is going to have your most expansion and contraction and movement, right? Did really great. We thought maybe it'd be a smaller, product, but what happened was our roofers, our contractors basically taught us that this can go on all single plies, your TPOs, it could go on your asphalt, it can go on metal, it could go basically on everything. Yeah, it lists, if you see in here, all the different products. So it's easier to tell you what it can't go on, which is basically silicone, because the only thing that adheres to silicone is silicone, right? But everything else, the beautiful part of this product is you could take this one bucket up on a roof, and if it has multiple substrates, or if your crew is going on multiple different types of roofs in a day, this one bucket is going to be able to basically handle anything.
So I noticed one of my, and basically, this is for my customers as well as our website. So I noticed when he was doing the repairs, I know what it's for, but I'm going to ask you. There's almost like a mesh that he would put down.
Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, we'll do a live 3-course repair just to kind of show you exactly what we're talking about.
Let's do it.
So first of all, when you see a bucket open up, there's no mixing, there's nothing required. This stuff is ready to go. It's brush grade, so it's extremely easy to use. You don't need to use a lot of it for it to be effective either. So a lot of other products, you open up the bucket, there's a lot of liquid on top, you got to do a whole bunch of stuff working with it. With this stuff, it's ready to go. Now we're doing an emergency underwater repair because this is a wet dry application product. So I'm going to be able to put this on. It's brush grade, but as you can see, it's actually adhering underwater. The main thing that we recommend is when you're dealing with an underwater situation, emergency repair, get a stiff brush, clean off that substrate, get all that loose dirt off of the roof. Even if there's loose dirt and stuff floating in the water, you're still going to be able to do this repair. We just don't want it on the surface because we want it to actually adhere to the substrate, not to the dirt on top.
So you're scraping the dirt off.
This is what we're going to recommend for any underwater application. It's going to give you that more permanent, long-lasting repair. If it was a dry application, we would use our polyester resat mat. That's going to be a more favor because it's going to have a little bit more stretch and give. This fiberglass reinforcement is more of a rigid, tight, which is going to keep it strong. So
you're pushing the paintbrush, which gets the bristles to push it down into the fiberglass. Makes sense.
Dry brush, that's ideal. You just kind of want to embed it. So then when you're putting the third course, third layer on, which is your other course of your Karna-Flex, it's not going to pull and move around as much. And then I'm just going to get another little bit. You don't need a lot of this stuff to work. So you're really going to get a lot of repairs out of one bucket. Nice. And then same thing, we're just going to go over the top. And you can see I got a little bit of asphalt mixed in there because of our other product. So it's usually going to be pure and white, but I'm mixing up a little bit. And just like that.
So some people may be wondering, okay, why are you doing this underwater? It's on top of a roof. Well, on a flat roof, tell them, let's talk.
Yeah, I mean, what we're kind of showing here is an extreme example. But let's say you have a building owner that gives you a call. They have an emergency leak situation and it's raining outside and they got water flooding into their building. You can take a bucket of Karna-Flex up there, get a bucket, a brush, and some fiberglass mesh reinforcement, and within, like you just saw, 2 minutes, do an emergency repair. And right when you put this on, it's watertight immediately. It's going to take time to cure. It will take, time to cure underwater, but it's going to be watertight immediately. So it's going to solve that immediate need for them.
That's awesome. And I was just going to say this. I think this could serve for our customers if, you don't want to spend the money to have a roofing contractor come out there and do something like this. This seems like a pretty easy repair. If homeowners or business owners want to do it, I'm not suggesting that you get on these roofs. I'm just saying that this is valuable because now you know kind of what that looks like. But a true professional is going to be able to make sure that it doesn't leak, I should say, and they can warranty the work, so you're not having to come back out in the middle of the night again, right?
Yeah, 100%. And then the biggest thing with this is we just did this repair. We have a lot of product left in this bucket, obviously. You can put this lid back on, come to the same bucket 5 months later, and you're still going to have that same consistency.
That was my next question.
It's not going to hockey puck in the bucket. They can open it up and do another repair, and they're good to go. So the contractor, the professional contractor, is getting their full use and full money out of what they just paid for, which is great.
This is great. So, Derek, I just kind of buttoning this up. We did a repair right in front of the camera for people to see how it works. This is obviously a great product.
White, black, and gray.
Okay, so I was going to ask if there's any different color variations because
Yes,
there's
sir.
different color roofs, so that's awesome.
So white, black, and gray, and then we also have it in 30-ounce caulk tubes as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome. And so contractors, they just order it through the suppliers, right?
Yeah, yep. We're in all major, suppliers and distributors across the country. We're nationwide. We have a plant in Broadview, Chicago area, New Jersey. We have one in Kingman, in Arizona. So we have coverage across the country, and you can find our products basically anywhere.
And then what about let's say business owners, homeowners, the actual customers? Are they able to buy it in stores, or is this only a wholesale product for contractors?
This is mainly going to be a wholesale product for contractors. I think we have a couple things here and there, but this is mainly going to be in your distributors and your.
Yeah, that was my next question. So anything else you want to add, Derek? Thank you for your time, by the way. Really appreciate it.
Oh, no, I appreciate you guys coming over and talking to us. I'd say the biggest thing is for everybody out there who's interested in this stuff, maybe they're dipping their toes into repairs, coatings. I think the biggest way we win as KARNAK is being involved, helping out. You can call myself as a regional manager, our VP of sales, our national technical director, and you're going to get somebody on the phone to help you out. We want to help you win with repairs and coatings. So anything we could do to help with that, we're here. Just call us.
Well, I love that. And that's one of the things that we value with our company, Mammoth Roofing and Solar, is to find vendors and people that really care about, that service aspect of it. Because we're making commitments to our customers to be able to serve them. And when we know we have partners that can back us up, it just makes us feel great.
Make that same commitment to you guys.
Absolutely.
So,
Hey, Derek, appreciate it. Thanks again.
Yeah, thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you.